pag-uusap ng aktor na si Anthony Jennings. Inamin ni Maris ang kanyang pagkakamali at humingi ng paumanhin sa mga nasaktan, lalo na sa kanyang mga taga-suporta. Ayon kay Maris, nagsimula ang lahat noong Hunyo.
I was in a very dark place. I was lonely. And I was getting attention from Anthony. The kind of attention that I needed. Nadala ako sa emotions ko. And I knew that was wrong. I came clean right away. I told my ex everything. And I admitted things to him. And then we broke up. It wasn't easy.
Kwenta ni Maris, sa mga dumaan na buwan, naging sweet at maalalahanin si Anthony at kinumpirma sa kanya ng aktor na single na siya.
I told Anthony that I broke up with my ex. And he also said the same thing. I was working every day at sa lahat ng trabaho na yun kasama ko si Anthony. Aaminin ko, sa araw-araw na pagtatrabaho namin, nahulog din yung loob ko. He would be very sweet to me. He would be such a gentleman to me. He would say things to me. He would tease me on the set in front of other people. He would tell all the people who were close to me that he was single. So I was confident to act a certain way around him on the set. Because in the eyes of the people there, we were both single.
Dagdag pa ni Maris, ilang beses niyang tinanong ang aktor kung kailan siya maglalabas ng pahayag tungkol sa breakup nila ni Jamela Villanueva dahil sa pampabatikos ng netizens.
I would ask him. God knows I asked him. Nagkabalikan ba kayo? He said no. Do you still love her? He said no. He would say things na ako yung gusto niya and all. I really asked him so many times. And then the first wave of bashing on TikTok. Masakit yun para sa akin. I asked him, when are you gonna release a statement na wala na kayo? When? Because in the eyes of the public, you are taken. But I know that you're not. And you would be very sweet to me. When are you gonna release a statement? He would tell me he was waiting for the right moment. I didn't want to be pushy. I didn't want to aggravate things. So I waited and kept quiet. Because